At the base of the Rockies, a historic industrial site is being reimagined into something entirely new. Welcome to Clayworks, where legacy meets innovation. The vision called for more than just a building. It required a space filled with natural light, designed for wellness, performance, and experience. But delivering daylight at this scale, without compromising efficiency or design, takes the right system. That solution? The BEMO Lightspan ETFE system, a lightweight, high-performance skylight system designed to maximize daylight while minimizing structural load, delivering soft, diffused light that transforms the space below.
So we've completed essentially 3 ETFE skylights at the Coors Tech project in Golden, Colorado. A large skylight on the top high roof, as well as 2 smaller skylights on, I believe it's level 3 of the building.
ETFE is a fluoropolymer, which in simple terms is a transparent plastic. It comes from the Teflon family. One of the beauties of the material is that it's extremely light. It's about 20 times lighter than glass. What you have is that you have a savings on the weight of the material, which means that you also have a savings on the weight of the structure supporting it, which leads to a cost-effective solution for the building. Another advantage of the material is that we're able to treat the surface of the material with a frit pattern, so we can actually reduce the solar heat load going into the building. And it's also fully customizable, so you can have a range of various light transmissions and also various solar heat gain coefficients.
Systems like this don't just get installed, they get coordinated. In the field, our team is working shoulder to shoulder with project partners, walking the space, reviewing details, and making sure every element performs as designed. At Clayworks, daylight isn't just a feature, it's a design driver. And with systems like BEMO Lightspan, it's possible to build spaces that are as efficient as they are inspiring.